Iyango kaselelia manko, mon me koros kapingong sa majail coach. Sa bil kapung ki o men waun ki koros me bankach the patronon program watch. In Pohnpeian culture, any individual, before speaking in public, always gives a special greeting of respect called koasoamwoasoamw or lapwehpweh. I just gave a very brief, simple one, but they can become very elaborate and beautifully spoken in a variety of different settings, especially in Pohnpei. In this video clip with Mr. Damian Sohl, he explains the Pohnpeian word lapwehpweh as compared to the Pohnpeian phrase lapw kopwou, words affiliated with respect, courtesy, and generosity innate to Pohnpeian culture and society. Masakan korosnan pitiyowach maban socha ichar ranakachan kainanela kalangan.
Yeah, now they use the term lapwehpwe
Lapwehpweh instead of kosamasam.
instead of, well, it is
It
kosamasam,
is a
but
kosamasam.
it's called lapwehpwe.
Lapwehpweh and Lapwehpweh.
Maybe because in our culture, when you come to someone's house, they will always lapw kopwou. There is a basket of food that is always hanging, at the eave of the house, so that when the guests come in and if they're hungry, you take the basket and give it to them. Lapw kopwou. We a term, we call it lapw kopwou. And so lapwehpweh, to me, I translate it to be lap, but not kopwou. Pwehpweh, papa, lokaya. Lap, lapati, your speech, lapati, your speech.
Incredible. What can I say? Do you have any other words of advice?
Just don't forget where you come from. I mean, just don't forget that you're part of this culture. This is how I live. I will never forget that I'm part of this society, and I've always been proud to recite my ancestry, so that I know which clan I belong to, which clan I have linkage with, because it is always helpful. You never know until you go to kitchen somewhere, and they found out that you are if you in Lipton, and all the Lipton clans come, hey, you're one of us.
One of us. Yeah.
And it always makes me, always have
That's powerful.
me,
Yeah.
me proud that, these people are claiming me to be part of their clan. That's the beauty of the Pohnpeian society.